morning everyone, my name is Haziq from DUE30072. Today, our group is going to present a procedure related to construction work, which is a floor tiling installation procedure. In this presentation, we will explain the floor tiling process step by step. We will also explain who performs each step, the tools and equipment used, and the possible problem if the procedure is not carried out correctly. We will also highlight the safety precaution that should be followed during the installation process. So let's go begin with the first step. First, the worker cleans the base surface by removing dust, oil, cement residue, and debris from the concrete floor. The worker uses a broom and floor scraper to clean the surface. The step is important because the floor must be clean and dry before applying the mortar. Warning: make sure the subfloor is completely dry. If the surface is dirty or wet, the mortar may not bond properly to the floor. Next, technician measure the room and mark the layout line. The technician use a measuring tape, chalk line, and framing square to mark the center lines. This line guide the worker when placing the tile and help to create a straight and symmetrical layout. If the technician mark the layout incorrectly, the tiles may become uneven and misaligned. After that, the worker mix the tile at haziq mortar with water in a mixing bucket. The worker use an electric paddy mixer to mix the mortar until it reaches a smooth consistency. The worker must wear a dust mask and safety goggles to avoid inhaling cement dust and getting dust into the eye. The worker should also avoid mixing too much mortar because it may harden before application. Next, the tiler spread the mortar evenly on the floor. The tile use a notch trowel to spread and comb the mortar at about a 45 degrees angle. The method helps to create an even layer of the mortar for the tiles. If the worker spread the mortar unevenly, the tile may not sit properly and may become uneven. Then, the worker places the first tile on the reference line. The worker carefully positions the tile at the intersection of the marked lines. The first tile is important because it becomes the reference for the next step. If the first tile is not positioned correctly, the alignment of the other tiles may also become incorrect. After placing the tile gently tap the tile into place using a rubber mallet. The rubber mallet helps to press the tile firmly into the mortar and remove air pockets under the tile. Never use a steel hammer because it can crack or break the tile. The worker must tap the tile gently to avoid damage. That's all for me, and I passing to my friend.
My name is Zairol bin Muhammad Mizan, 15 DPP 25F1006. Next is step 7. Insert the tile spacer. The worker place plastic tile spacer at every corner and along the edge between adjacent tiles. The primary purpose of this step is to maintain uniform, straight, and net cut line across the entire floor. Moving to step 8, cut tile for border and edge. For the remaining gap along wall, the technician measure the space, mark the tile accordingly, and cut them to size using a manual tile cutter or a wet tile saw. Important safety precaution: always wear heavy-duty, cut-resistant safety gloves when handling freshly cut tile, as the exposed edge is extremely sharp and can cause severe injury. Once the tile are set, move to step 9. Allow mortar to cure for 24 hours. The work crew must clear the area and set up safety tape. Warning: exclusively no foot traffic in allowed on the tile for at least 24 hours to prevent malalignment or unsafe settling. Next is step 10. Apply the tile cap. After the mortar has fully dried, remove all plastic tile spacer. Then use the rubber gourd float to force the gourd mixture firmly into the joint between the tiles. The final physical step in the process is step 11. Clean excess ground from tile surface. About 50 to 30 minutes after grounding, before the gut completely cured, wet the tile surface using the lug tape spoke and a bucket of clean water. This removes any remaining husk or gut residue, leaving the tile surface clean and polished. In conclusion, installing floor tile requires a systematic, step-by-step approach from subfloor preparation and process layout making to proper grouting and cleaning. Following each step accurately ensures structure durability, persist element, and a high quality finish. More importantly, maintain safety throughout the entire process by wearing complete personal protection equipment (PPE) such as safety goggles, dust mask, cut-resistant gloves, and safety boots is crucial to preventing workplace hazards and injuries. And adhering to this standard procedure guarantees both operation efficiency and the safe working environment.